I'd like to give you my review on this gray wig. Now, this is a relatively inexpensive wig, and the reason I purchased them is because I myself am completely gray and contemplating whether to go gray or continue to dye my hair. And people keep saying to me, oh, how are you going to feel about you seeing yourself gray? So I thought the easiest way to figure that out is to buy some inexpensive wigs and see what I look like. So I just want to show you this wig here. I use just a vent brush to style it. I have it on a head here. And as you can see, the I wear bangs, and these bangs here are really long. In the picture that you see of the advertisement, they have it real feathered back. Now it does feather back quite nicely. And as you can see, this is all shaggy. And it's a nice cut. And the other thing about this is I have several wigs. And this one, even though this is synthetic hair, it feels really pretty good. It's nice and soft. It isn't dry. Some wigs are very dry. So a cap, as you can see, and then it has the adjustables strap that you can make it tighter so it would fit more heads. But this is vented, so it shouldn't be as warm as some wigs can get. That's one of the biggest complaints about wigs, is they're very warm. So let me put this on and see what you think. So this is what it looks like on. It takes a little bit of practice. I do have a skull cap on. It does take a little bit of practice to get that to clip in the back, to get it tight, because if you don't have it clipped, you're not going to be able to touch the hair and keep it in place. This wig is going to need some serious hairspray, because there's just no way you could wear it like this without hairspray unless you are constantly fiddling with it. Now, I am not a big fan of having my forehead show, so I would either cut or I would do like a side brush. So this just gives me an idea of what I would look like gray. I don't think it's a big deal. I do like the length of this, but these bangs would be an issue for me. So if you could do a lot of hairspray or clips, that would be it. But this is my honest opinion. I think this wig is okay for what I wanted it for. It served its purpose with these bangs. And that is just my honest opinion.